Hi guys, welcome to my channel Braga Art, and I want to say thank you to all. And in this video I shout out to Michael Jacques. Okay, going to the videos. In this videos I will show you any 3D art that painting on the road for prank somebody here. And this 3D art painting with a charcoal and make a color with color of chalk. He painting many art on the road but different place. Okay, in this video he painting in his house like a hole, 3D holes. He used with a charcoal and add the color with a chalk color. Oh wow, the cat. What's that? Oh my god. Next, the painting another art. Very nice. Excellent work. Wow, looks so real. He make a hole and make a bridge. Wow, so good. Oh my god. Okay, in this step, the wall, the painting on the wall like a step. Wow, 3D step. Nice. What a buffalo? It is buffaloes painting on the wall. Wow, looks so real. Amazing art. Wow. Okay, next. Make another hole on the road for prank anybody here. Near the field of right field. Painting near the right field in the countryside. Okay, have many people through this way. Very nice. Someone want to play this hole like a 3D artwork. Okay, the next cycle hole. Just a charcoal. He used only charcoal, but very nice art. Cannot. Oh God. What is that? I can't go this way. I need to back. Okay, clean with the water. See you another side. Okay, this video is painting another 3D painting on the paper, not on the road. It is floating, the 3D art floating on the paper. It's very nice. Screw, 3D screw. Wow, that's nice. What is that? It's on floating on the papers. Another art, square hole like a bridge. He draw so fast, but very nice. Good artwork. Super skill. Good job, guy. Very nice. Wow, it's so good. And this video is finished. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you another videos.